What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Mar Money, man. And we back with another banger, another install, another great video, bro. Let me show y'all what we getting into, man. You see it, man. ISR, man. Single exit. Got the Y pipe. Going no resonator. You feel me? No res. To the big muffler single exit, man. This thing's thick. And it's gonna get put on my G. And man, I need this exhaust because right now, you see it rattles. Well, this rattles when it's on. It rattles against my bumper and makes a weird noise. And I don't like that, bro. So we're gonna get this installed. I'm gonna show y'all the current exhaust I got on when we get on the lift. But we gotta wait till my boy gets here. So when my boy gets here, hey, we'll get started. All right, man. We about to get this cold start on it. It's the last time the exhaust is gonna be like this. Let's get into it. Got my guy in the cut. Say what's up to him.
The show's good.
Yup. So now we're gonna put the single exit on. It's kind of loud. Feel me? ISR Y pipe. Big muffler, mid pipe. You feel me? And we about to head to the shop, and I'll see y'all when I get there. So we at the shop, man, and let me show y'all what we working with right now. We got my Y pipe, just my resonators, you feel me, and then a muffler delete. So we about to take that off. We got to unbolt these bolts here. 2 bolts there, 2 bolts there. These bolts here. And we taking off that bolt and that bolt. And that should be really it to put on this exhaust. See, we got the exhaust laid out over here. We got all the stuff. I'm gonna get back to it when we take off the Y pipe. All right, so we just got done taking off all the exhaust. Got the Y pipe, mufflers, cats. Car has no exhaust right now. So we're about to put on the Y pipe right here. What size socket is this?
This is a 14 mil.
So we use this 14 mil to get off all these bolts. And we'll get back when we put on the full exhaust. Let's do it. All right, man, and we back. We just put on the exhaust. We got the Y pipe on it, and we got the muffler. As you can see, ISR single exit. Goes to the Y pipe, headed to the cat. We're about to lower it, and we're going to get a first time listen to this. Let's get it, man. Go ahead, one more time. Certified, man. Certified. hard, man. It's the next day. It's currently like 8 o'clock in the morning. And see, we got the ISR on, so it's time, man. We finna start this up. Get this cold start, man. Let's get it, man. I'm excited. The last thing, man. Sorry. See what it sounds like. Everybody that watched this video and shows love and support. I appreciate y'all, and I hope y'all have a great day. Always chase your dreams and do what you love. And with that being said, man, I'm out.